Hello everyone, today I am going to start a chapter Animal Kingdom. Animals are the multicellular organisms. They have many cells, okay, to perform various functions of the body, okay. Now there are many bases of classification, okay. On the basis of that we classify the animals, okay. The first one is levels of organization, okay. Here it is written animals are the multicellular organism. Multicellular organism means many cells, okay, many cells. You know that the cell combines to form the tissue, and tissue combines to form the organ, and organ combine to form the organ system. So in this way, some organisms are cellular level of organization, have cellular level of organization, like sponge, phylum Porifera, okay. Some have tissue level of organization like coelentrates, and some have organ level of organization like platyhelminthes and other higher members, okay. Now we will come to the topic. देखिए organ system level of organization. This is come in the higher organisms, okay. Like annelids, arthropods, mollusca and many more, okay. Now we come to the digestive system. Digestive system have two openings. One is mouth, from where the food enters, and one is anus, okay, from where the food moves out from the body, okay. So if a organism have both the openings, anus and mouth, then this digestive system is called complete digestive system. If there is only a single opening, then it is called a incomplete digestive system, okay. In circulatory system it is also of two type. In digestive system it is of two type: incomplete digestive system, incomplete digestive system, and complete digestive system. In the same way we have circulatory system. Circulatory system is also of two type: open type and closed type. In open type, blood is pumped to the heart and cells are bathed in it, okay. They doesn't have any capillaries or any blood vessels through which the blood is circulated throughout the body, okay. In closed type, they have a well developed vessels, well developed veins, capillaries, okay, through which the blood is circulated throughout the body, okay. Symmetry. Three type of symmetry are present: asymmetrical organism, radially symmetrical organism, bilateral symmetry, okay. Asymmetrical organism are the organism in which the plane that passes through the center does not divide into two half, okay. The main point is does not divide them into equal halves, okay. In radial symmetry, it is that when a plane passes through the central axis of the body, divides the organism into two identical half, okay. Identical half, look at these. Plane passes through the center, divide the organism into two identical half, okay. Now it is a bilateral symmetry, where the body can be divided into identical left and right half in only one plane. Here the main point is only one plane, or here the main point is central axis. Here the line passes through the central axis, here the line passes only through a one plane, okay, only through a one plane. Now diploblastic and triploblastic organisms, okay. Animals in which the cells are arranged in embryonic layer and external ectoderm and endoderm are called diploblastic. Diploblastic means two cells, okay, two layers. One layer is ectoderm and one is endoderm. Okay, like this is a layer of ectoderm. Endo means under and endo means inside, so it is inside. Okay, endoderm. Okay, now what is mesogalia? Mesogalia is a present in between the ectoderm and a endoderm. It is present between. Okay, between. Now understand, if two layers are present, it is diploblastic organism, and a mesogalia is present between ectoderm and endoderm. Okay, now we open the next page. um, those animals in which a developing embryo has third germinating mesoderm, in which in between the ectoderm endoderm, triploblastic organism. If they develop a mesoderm layer, then they are triploblastic organism. Understand, they are triploblastic organisms. Sorry. Coelom, presence and absence of a cavity between a wall and a gut wall is very important. Coelom, what is coelom? Coelom is a body cavity which is lined by a mesoderm. Here we understand that animals in which a third germinating layer, that is mesoderm, is present, they are called triploblastic animals. If they have body cavity lined by mesoderm, they are known as coelom. Okay, that is known as coelom, and they are known as coelomates animals. If they have body cavity in which the mesoderm is present, then they are coelomates animals. Okay, the body cavity in which the mesoderm instead of mesoderm is present in a scattered pouches, like this. If the mesoderm is present in a scattered pouches form, then it is a pseudocoelomates. Sorry, then they are called pseudocoelomates. Okay, if the mesoderm is present, then but they are present in a form of pouches. Okay, if they present in a form of pouch, and they are pseudocoelomate animal. Example, Eschelmans. Okay, if body cavity is absent, then they are acoelomates animals like Platyhelminthes. Okay, here the body cavity is absent. Okay, so they are acoelomate. Here they are present in a form of pouches. Okay, here the coelom is present, so they are coelomate animals. Okay, three types of forms are coelomate animals, pseudocoelomate animals, and coelomates. Okay, segmentation means the body is divided into segments like this. The body is divided into segments. Okay, the body is externally and internally divided into segment with the serial repetition of at least some organ. For example, earthworm. The body shows this pattern. If the organism who is showing this pattern, then it is called metamerism. Okay, this phenomena is called metamerism. Notochord is a mesodermally derived rod-like structure. Okay, it is present at the dorsal side. Okay, you can say like this. It is present like this at the back side of your body. Okay, forms a dorsal side during a embryonic stage. In some, if the notochord is present, the organism is called chordates, and if it is not present, the organism is called non-chordates. Okay, so we have covered all this. First is level of organization, classification, basis of classification. First is level of organization. Second is symmetry. Then it triploblastic and diploblastic organisms, coelom, segmentation, notochord. Now we will come to the phylums. Okay, now we will cover about the phylums. In this, the first phylum is Porifera. Okay, let's see animals which are multicellular organs. Like first is level of organization, that is cellular level, tissue, organ or organ system. Next is symmetry, mostly are asymmetric, some are radially, some are bilaterally. Okay, cavity, body cavity, acoelomate, the asymmetrical acoelomate, example Porifera. Radial acoelomate, example Ctenophora and coelenterate. Bilaterally symmetrical without body cavity, that are acoelomate, platyhelminthes. False coelom, pseudocoelomate. Aschelminths with true coelom, Annelida, Orthopoda, Mollusca, Kynodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. Okay, the chordata are those in which the notochord is present. Okay, now we will come to the phylum. First is phylum Porifera. Okay, the members of the phylum are commonly known as sponge. Okay, this phylum, okay, the members of this phylums are commonly known as sponge. They are generally marine and asymmetrical organisms. Okay, they are primitive multicellular animals. They have cellular level of organization. Sponge have a water transport and a canal system. Okay, they have a water transport, most important, water transport system. Okay, most important point is they have a water transport system. Okay, in Porifera the water transport system is present. Now, the water enters through a minute pore ostia. Water enters through a minute pore ostia in the body wall into a central cavity, that is spongiocele, from where it goes out through the osculum. Okay, water enters through a minute pore, that is ostia, into a body cavity, that is spongiocele, from where it goes out through the osculum. Okay, this pathway of water transport is helpful in food gatherings. Okay, this pathway of water transport is helpful in food gathering, respiratory exchange, and removal of waste. Kynocytes and Kohler cells line the spongiocele and canal. Kynocytes and Kohler cells line the spongiocele and canals. Digestion is intracellular. Okay, digestion is intracellular. The body is supported by a skeleton made up of spicules and spongin fiber. Body support. The body is supported by a skeleton with which is made up of spicules and spongin fiber. Sexes are separate. It is also called hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means male and females are different. Okay, monoecious and dioecious. Okay, not separate, sorry, not separate means male and female are present in a same body. Okay, they are called hermaphrodite or monoecious or bisexual. Eggs and sperms are produced by the same individual. Sponges produce asexually by fragmentation and sexually by formation of gametes. Okay, fertilization is internal and development is indirect, having a several larval stage. Okay, which is morphologically distinct from the adult. Okay, that are different. Here are the examples of Porifera. First one is Cycon. Okay, this is a Cycon, this is a Euphoria, and this is the Spongilia. Okay, now let's see. Examples: Cycon is also called Cypha, and Spongilia is also called freshwater sponge, and Euphoria is called bath sponge. Okay, now we will come to coelenterate. Okay, that is now we come to the second phylum, that is coelenterate, that is Cnidaria. Okay, they are aquatic and mostly marine. They are sessile and free living. Okay, the name is Cnidaria is derived from a cnidoblast and cnidocytes, which contain a sticking like capsule. Okay, they have a sticking like capsule that is called nematocyst. Okay, present on a tentacles and a body. Okay, they are present on a tentacles and a body. Cnidoblast is for the anchorage, defense, and the capturing of the prey. Okay, cnidoblast have tissue level of organization. They have diploblastic. The most important thing is gastrovascular cavity and a single opening, that is mouth, on a hypostomy. Okay, They have two body form, that is polyp and medusa. Okay. The formation of polyp to medusa, okay, it is called metagenesis. Okay, metagenesis, that is alteration of generation. It is in the Cnidocolentrata. Okay, alteration of generation, it present in a Cnidaria. Okay, polyp to medusa asexually and medusa to polyp sexually. Okay,
received on phone pay.
Example is obelia. Okay, obelia. There are some example: Physalia, that is Petrigue, man of war; Adamsia, sea anemone; Gorgonia, sea pen; and Menateria, brain coral. Okay.